Wipe your feet. Come over here. Good boy. Wipe your feet. Good. Good boy.
Stop. Wipe your feet. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, wipe them good. Good girl. Oh my gosh. Just keep wiping them. They're going to sparkle. Wipe your feet. You finished? Finished? Good boy.
If you want to come in, wipe your feet. Wipe your feet. Now you can come inside. Sit down.
Good boy.
Good girl, wipe them paws. You did a good job. Gearing off? Okay.
Wipe the feet.
Wipe your paws. Wipe, wipe, wipe. One more time. Get a good wipe. Good boy. Good boy. I love you.
Okay, go on.
You wipe your feet, okay? Wipe your feet.
Wipe your feet. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Ready to go in?
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Wipe your feet, Smalls. Good boy. Wipe some feet. Okay, let's go to work. Come on.
You better wipe your feet because it's a muddy day out there. Good boy. Wipe them good. Wipe your feet good. Good boy. Wipe those feet clean. It's a rainy day outside.
Давай, вытирайся, куда ты пошел. Все, молодец.
Sam, let's grow.
It has stairs, you can go from there then after.
Сховай то палицю. Так.
scrub your ass. She's scrubbing her ass clean.
There are 5 skins on the line here at 15. Fred Couples has 95.
Вставай, давай. А чё это он так? Ползи!
А как он делает так?
Ну какая же это попа? Это сердечко.
10 баксов, самый дешевый номер.
Whatever name it, man. Get to the sessions, the paradise. This is a real paradise.
Это она. А ей не больно.
Снимай. Ага, стоять! Стоять! Все. Давай, я верю в тебя, давай, собака! Давай, гавни на него!
Сейчас цветок.
У нас такой, так це ж вона одна, як вони втроє з ним заводяться.
Кошак, ты выжил?
Девочка. Так, пошли.
Господи, помилуй.
Это прикол. Давай, кошак, давай, я в тебе верю. Это прикол.
Пошли.
Стоять, стоять. Это прикол. Ставлю на собаку.
За наш принятый.
Нічого не буде.